In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Number one, we have 2 whole number 1/4. This is a mixed fraction. So what to do first, you multiply 2 by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus this one at the top will give us 9. Therefore, you write your 9 up and bring down your 4. Our answer is 9/4. Number 2, you multiply 3 by 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus your 2 at the top. 15 plus 2 will give us 17. You come here and write your 17 and bring over your 5 at the bottom. Therefore, your answer is 17/5. Number 3, we have 1 whole number 5/8. You multiply 1 times 8. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 plus 5 at the top. 8 plus 5 will give us 13. You come and write 13 and bring down your 8 down. Therefore, your answer is 13/8. That's how to change your mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Thank you for watching.